Hi, welcome to this fantastic Wingfield Springs two-story model home with one owner. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,133 square feet. This pristine home has a covered driveway with a 2-car garage, which makes for a very nice indoor courtyard. You can choose to park your car in the garage or in your courtyard. So come on inside and we'll give you a tour of what this home has to offer. So this home opens up into a nice formal dining room area, really nice, with crown molding, lots of details. This was a former model home, so no details spared. We've got a very nice travertine floor. We've got a powder room to our left, office desk to the right, next to the pantry, and then it opens up into the great room. Great room is really nice with large high ceilings, crown molding, solid kitchen, tile countertop, and newer black stainless steel appliances. These were Samsung appliances. Very nice. Again, you've got the travertine floor, flows through into the kitchen, and we've got carpet in the living room. Very nice fireplace, gas fireplace here, and super high ceilings. This paved patio is just perfect for entertaining in the evening or just sitting and relaxing to enjoy the evening sun. What's really nice about this yard, it opens up into an open space at the back, so you get all the advantages of having more space next to your house and none of the cost of maintaining it. This home has a beautiful stucco elevation. Again, the master has high ceilings, ceiling fan, very large suite, so you're perfect for a California king size bed. The bathroom is well appointed, travertine tiles throughout, floor, tub surround, plus the shower. Bathroom, you've got higher vanities, again travertine tile countertops, solid wood cabinets, and a large master closet. So the office is the smaller of the two other bedrooms, but still very well sized, nicely appointed, with a closet plus additional storage, and of course plantation shutters. You see plantation shutters throughout this home. Bathroom, single vanity and tub shower combo. The second bedroom is a larger bedroom, plantation shutters again, and well appointed with a closet plus additional storage above, and again high ceilings throughout. Very nice laundry room. It's a large laundry room, natural light, plus a sink, and you've got upper and lower solid wood cabinets. So please let us know if you'd like to see this home. You can call myself, Donal, at 775-870-5209, or you can call Brent at 775-527-0031. Talk to you soon. Look forward to helping you find your next home.